Hey guys, it's your girl Keish and I am back with another video. I'm really excited for this video because it is about the ultimate app that has helped me to stay in the gym and has really helped me to commit to my weight loss journey. And I'm so excited to bring it to you guys because if you haven't heard of it or if you've never tried it before, this is probably going to change your life. So I've mentioned it in other videos before, but I'm really happy that I'm doing just one video specifically dedicated to this one subject, and that is the app Aaptiv. If you haven't heard about it, you're gonna learn all about it today. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what is Aaptiv, right? Aaptiv is an app that basically it is an audio fitness service. So it's a trainer, like a regular trainer that you would have in the gym, but it's just someone that you can listen to in your headphones, and you listen to these different types of workouts over different music genres. So for example, you can do treadmill workouts to hip hop music, right? And so for me, that's exactly what I needed early on in my weight loss journey, because I remember I was getting sick of going to the gym, and it wasn't that I was like just being lazy. It was more like I was tired of doing the same things, and the equipment that was available to me, I really didn't know how to take full advantage of it or how to really push myself in the gym. And I just got tired of feeling like I was sitting there doing the same thing week in, week out. And so I remember I was on the treadmill and I saw this ad on Pinterest, and it said trainer in one ear, music in the other. And I was like, oh, okay, that sounds kind of cool. So I checked out the app. They had a 30-day trial at the time, and I took advantage of that, and I fell in love with the first workout. So basically the workouts, they're done by multiple trainers compiled into one app, and you can actually pick from several different types of trainers and several different types of workouts that you like to do, and basically they walk you through the process. But like Meg, she's very technical, so she's like making sure you have all your I's dotted and your T's crossed. So she's like, make sure you're running on the balls of your feet, make sure your arms are doing this and your legs are doing that, and you're laser focused. She says laser focused a lot. And just they're feeding you all of this information and helping you to become stronger and better, and basically training you not only physically, so like actually training you to run faster or increase your endurance or whatever, but they're also training you mentally, and they're teaching you how to stay focused and how to stay committed and motivated. So the workouts vary as far as not only what type of workout it is, like treadmill, elliptical, outdoor running, whatever, but they also vary as far as skill level. So for example, they have beginner workouts, intermediate, and advanced. And the beginner workouts are by no means easy. These people do not take it easy on you. And because of this app, I realized that I had been taking it easy on myself. I was doing the beginner workouts and I'm running and I'm like, oh my gosh, why am I so tired? If this is what beginner is like, I can't even imagine what it's like to be intermediate and advanced. And today, you guys, I'm proud to say that I'm an intermediate workout person now. Pat on my back. And I can even do some advanced workouts here and there. I mean, me being on the treadmill for 30 minutes at a time, probably not gonna happen. I'm probably going to mentally talk myself out of whatever I have to do for 30 minutes, right? But just being able to have someone talking to you and just having that motivation, it's just like the wind on your back, and it keeps you going. And before you know it, you look at your Fitbit or your Apple Watch or whatever, and it's like you're 35 minutes in, or oh my gosh, you just ran a mile, 2 miles, now you're running 3 miles, and you just continue to crush all these benchmarks and just blow through all these walls that were just previously barriers for you. And it's all thanks to these people and this program and this app. And it's so great because you can take advantage of this app for yourself, obviously, but you can also share it with others. So for example, they do guest passes. And with guest passes, you can gift this app to someone for 30 days for free. So I used one of my guest passes as motivation to help get my boyfriend in the gym, because I was going to the gym and he was coming along with me, but it was kind of like coming along with me type deal. And so now, ever since I convinced him to try out Aaptiv, things have not been the same since. Like, he does not go to the gym without Aaptiv. He goes to the gym without me. I go to the gym without him, and sometimes we go together, but regardless, we are always doing an Aaptiv program. And make no mistake, it's not that we need this program in order to get in a good workout, because I'm fully developed now to be able to push myself to new heights and new limits on my own, but it's just the motivation that comes out of it, and just like the different workouts that they always have available, because they're always updating the app. It's always something new. Like, being able to crush those specific workouts and see how far you can push yourself every time, it just makes all the difference. And right now we're in the midst of doing a 10K training. So we have no plans to run a 10K in the future, but this program is 10 weeks, and basically there's workouts set for each week. Like, for instance, the first day was like entry to, or was like a fartlek run, which when you get into working out with this app, you'll learn more about fartlek runs and what they are, unless you already know. But it was like, I want to say like a 35-minute run. And then today it was an entry to endurance run. And so basically we ran for 35 minutes. And in that process, like, it was like broken, or no, it was 45 minutes. And she breaks it up into 4 10-minute slots with walking, like 60 seconds of walking or a break in between. And in addition to the entry to endurance, there is also an arm workout that comes with that. And so you do those together, and that's your day 2. And then day 3 is a rest day, and day 4 is something else. And you just keep going all the way up through this 10-week program. And by the time you reach the end, you should be physically able to run a 10K. And so I did that with the 5K program, and that's what really helped to develop me as a runner. And what really helped me to realize that I love running. And so the fact that my boyfriend and I are doing this 10K program now is really exciting for me, because it's like, okay, I know I crushed it at 5K, and if I crush this 10K, it's like I've leveled up entirely. This video is in no way sponsored by Aaptiv, so let me just put that out first. But if you are interested in trying it, they do have a free 7-day trial that you can do before you make that commitment, because every month is like a $10 to $12 monthly subscription fee. I'll put the link to their website in the description, so you can go check out more information about that exactly, in case I'm wrong. But for me, it's been totally worth it. I've been using it for over a year at this point. I have never gotten bored. I've never had a complaint. I've never had any issues with this app or any of the trainers or anything. It's just, for me, things have gotten better and better the more I've been able to use it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop it down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel overall, be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.